In this lecture, we'll see a C program to swap two numbers without using a third variable. In the previous lecture, we have already seen how to swap two numbers using a third variable. The link of that lecture is provided in the description box. Now, when we are talking about the swapping operation, we're basically trying to exchange the values of those two numbers. Let's start a program. So here I'm starting it with a comment, C program to swap two numbers without using a third variable. Then comes the preprocessor directive, which is including the standard input-output header file. On the next line, we're using the main function with return type int. Inside the main function, I am declaring two integer variables. The first variable is a, whereas second variable is b. On the next line, I am printing a message that is enter the value of a and b. Here, by using a scanf function, we're accepting both the values together. So for that, the format says we have to provide the format string first, comma, ampersand sign, the name of the first variable, comma, ampersand, the name of the second variable. Let's say the value of variable A is 5, whereas the value of variable B is 7. Now here comes the logic of swapping two numbers without using a third variable. Let's see what are we doing. On this line, we are performing the addition operation between A and B. So A is 5, B is 7. A plus B will give me 12. So value of A becomes 12 here. On the next line, we are performing A minus B. So at this point, the value of B will become 12 minus 7, which is equal to 5. On the next line, again we are performing the subtraction operation between A and B. So at this point, the value of A is going to be A minus B. So value of A is 12 minus value of B has become 5 here, which is equal to 7. So we can see here the values have got swapped. Variable B has got the value 5, whereas variable A has got the value 7. On the next line, we're just trying to print this message, that is values after performing swap operation. And here on these lines, we're trying to print the individual values. First of all, the value of A will come, and then on the next line, the value of B will come. After completing this program, we have to save it. So I have already saved this program with name swap1. .c indicates that it's a C programming file. Now let's go to the execute option and compile the code. We can see here this program has 0 errors, 0 warnings. Now we can run the code. So here it is asking me to enter the value of A and B. I'll say the value of A is 5, space, the value of B is 7, enter. The message comes that is values after performing swap operation, and we can see that the values have got swapped. Now variable A has got value 7, whereas variable B has got value 5. So here we have studied how to swap two values without using a third variable. In the next lecture, we'll see a C program to find the area of rectangle, square, and circle. Thank you.